So I think I've been doing this too long. I'm becoming predictable. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Many of you saw me unbox this gravedigger. This is the Axial SMT10, and well, quite frankly, couldn't help myself. Time to upgrade it. This thing is very cool, but I really want to take it to the next level. So, I'm going to do some upgrades. I'm going to start out by upgrading the ESC and the motor. This is the Mamba X. It's the 1410 3800 kV censored brushless motor, and this will give me plenty of power. I'm also going to upgrade to the Spectrum SRS6000 receiver. This will go with my Spectrum DX5R, and it'll give me extra channels for four-wheel steering. It'll also give me an extra plug to plug in lights. These are the Traxxas lights from the Gravedigger when Traxxas had the licensing for the Gravedigger, and they actually fit into the Axial. And I do need to get these hooked up to the receiver, but these will shine red. Now because I'm going with a bigger motor, definitely want to upgrade the gears. So I picked up a set of Incision, these are the transmission gears. Picked up a set of the heavy-duty Beveled gears, 3813s. Picked up two sets of the beef tubes for inside the axles, beef up the axles a bit. Gonna toughen up the links, these are the hot racing, these are the trailing arms and the upper links. And I'm gonna go four-wheel steer. So, what I picked up were two Axial aluminum servo horns. These are the knuckles, got the hot racing servo plates. Picked up the universal axle set. Picked up a complete Axial Axle assembly kit. In this bag I had the steering links, and I also have the sway bars, an extra set for the front. I did do one other thing. I put on the plates that come with the kit. These are Lexan little panels, and I added the sponsor stickers. I did check the Gravedigger site. These are actual sponsors of the Gravedigger, minus the Savox, minus the Mamba. For the servos, I picked up two of the Savox 1210s, waterproof, 277 ounces of torque, and these will be plenty for what I need. And besides that, I'm just waiting for a couple lockers. I'm going to lock both diffs, and I should be good to go. The one thing I did order as well is the Proline Big Hit steering rod. But that's not in yet, so once it comes, I'll be able to put that on as well. So this will be my Gravedigger upgrade series. As I get work done on this, I'll be sure to post up the videos, and I hope you'll come check them out. Alright guys, so that's about it. If you liked what you saw, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye for now.